Hey, welcome back. Let's create drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet editing program. So a drop-down list is a list of several things that you input so that when you click on a cell and then you put one of the things that you input into the drop-down list, the thing will appear on the cell. So for example, you want to list all of the names of days starting from Sunday, and then you drag the bottom right corner of the cell until it's Saturday, just like this. And then you click on this cell and then you want to, let's say, input Thursday. So all you have to do is to click on the cell where you want to put Thursday on. And then afterwards, click on data validation and then click on data validation and then change this into list. And then afterwards, click on source and then select these cells and then click on OK. And then click on the down arrow and then insert Thursday. You're done. Easy, isn't it? Now, let's say if you want to insert Tuesday here, click on this cell and then click on data validation, and then change this into list and then click on this one and then select the cells and then click on OK and then click on the down arrow and then pick Tuesday. As easy as that. That's how you can create drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet editing program, so that you can pick one of the things that you listed in the drop-down list, for example, the names of days, and then you can, put one of the days, just like for this cell and for this cell. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.